Hello, this is the famous erosion site in Achina village in Aguata local government area. It has continued to grow in size and magnitude, endangering lives and property of the people and expanding dangerously to the disadvantage of the community. Surrounding houses have been submerged, families have been dislocated, farmlands and economic trees consumed, and the community has no answer to it. It is indeed beyond the capacity of the community, beyond communal efforts to contain it. I wish to recall that in the month of May 2014, this Achina erosion site, popularly called Ihe, was where the then governor of the state, Chief Willie Obiano, performed the 2014 National Tree Planting Campaign for Anambra State, and he promised that his efforts will halt the spread of the erosion menace. We appreciated his efforts, but as you can see, the problem has continued to widen, and many families have been dispossessed of their properties and dislocated. We have no answer to this, and we are appealing to the state government to draw the attention of the federal government and donor agencies to come to the aid of Achina Community. This has severely cut off communication with other neighboring communities, particularly Umuchu, because this erosion site is at the heart of the road linking Achina and Umuchu. But today, it takes a very long time for one to travel from Achina to Umuchu because of this menacing problem. If you look deep down into the gully, you will realize that the state government made strenuous effort, very visible effort, to contain it by planting bamboo trees, melina, palm trees, and all the other preventing seedlings. And they are growing, but more assistance is needed in order to contain it. Right. Achina must tell you. We stand devastated and helpless. Many have packed out. Oh gosh. Kai. If you look at the depth of the erosion menace, you will just imagine the kind of devastation that has visited Achina Community. On our part, we are making our efforts in conjunction with the Forestry Department of the Ministry of Environment or Ministry of Agriculture, to rescue us out of this horrifying problem. We hope our cries will receive the humane attention of the State Governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, to come to our rescue. We know is the solution.